Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to see scheduled emails on Outlook. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser and search www.outlook.com, or you can also directly go through an application. For this video, I went to a web browser. Now you need to remember that scheduled emails are stored in draft folder with Outlook application. They remain in draft until the time you have set arrives. Now to find the draft or the scheduled emails, you need to click on this three line icon just beside the home. Now this kind of interface will appear and here you can see various options. Now all you need to do is click on drafts. Right now you can see I don't have any drafts or scheduled emails, but you will be able to know the email is scheduled when you find the date that you had entered on the side of the mail. And this is how easily you can see scheduled emails on Outlook. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.